In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an Eventbrite link to TikTok. This is a valuable skill if you're looking to promote your events directly to your TikTok audience. We have 3 simple methods to do this, depending on whether you want a straightforward post or a clickable link for ticket sales. Let's dive into method 1, which is to add the Eventbrite link in your TikTok bio. This method is the most reliable because it makes your link clickable directly from your profile, making it easy for your followers to access your event details. First, open the TikTok app on your device. Once it's open, navigate to your profile page. This is where you'll be able to make changes to your personal information and settings. From there, you'll see the option to edit your profile. Go ahead and tap on the Edit Profile button. This step is crucial because it allows you to access the bio section where you can input your Eventbrite link. Next, look for the bio section within the profile editing page. Tap on it to open up the text field where you can type or paste content. This is your opportunity to add a bit of personality or crucial information about your event. You can start by typing a short description or any important details that will catch the eye of your audience. Then paste your Eventbrite link right after your text. For example, you might type something like, "Join us for an unforgettable night," followed by your Eventbrite link. This makes your link a natural part of your bio, seamlessly integrating it with your personal or business message. After you've added your text and pasted the link, tap Save. This step is vital because it ensures that all your changes are stored and visible to anyone visiting your profile. With just a few taps, you've made your Eventbrite link accessible to all your TikTok followers. This method is especially effective because your bio is one of the first things people see when they visit your profile. It's a prime location for important information. Now, your Eventbrite link will appear in your bio right on your profile page. This means that anyone visiting your profile can easily click on the link to learn more about your event or purchase tickets. Keep in mind that having a clickable link in your bio enhances user interaction and increases the likelihood of ticket sales, as users appreciate the convenience of direct access. In summary, adding your Eventbrite link to your TikTok bio is not only the best option for making it clickable, but it also strategically places your event information in a highly visible spot. This is important because it can significantly boost engagement and attendance for your event. Remember, the more accessible you make the information, the better your chances of reaching a wider audience. With that, you've successfully integrated your Eventbrite link into your TikTok profile, maximizing its promotional potential. As you continue to grow your TikTok presence, keep experimenting with different ways to engage your audience and drive traffic to your events. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in enhancing your event promotion strategy on TikTok.